So today I'm back out here in Lidditz, and I wanted to point a few things out to you guys. We just completed another siding project in here using the James Hardie cement siding. I'm sure a lot of you are familiar with that. As you can see here in this video, these are a lot of $1 million plus homes. On these homes, we'll naturally use a higher end product. A lot of board and batten cement siding, vertical cement siding, a lot of unique trim details. So I just want to drive around here and I'm going to point out a few jobs where whoever the original builder or installer was, they did a very poor job on installation. It's very important to follow the James Hardie or cement siding manufacturer specifications to detail. Here you can see a home we actually just completed. They chose the evening blue siding. I'm going to go around here and just point out a few homes where this issue occurred. See the checkered pattern? You come down and you can see pieces that are completely loose. It's a little hard to tell from the video. Some of the homes are much worse, but this home after home in this $1 million neighborhood having issues with the cement siding being installed incorrectly. So here's another home where you can see around that window the checkered pattern. Definitely an issue with installation on that one as well. And here's another property with the exact same issue. You can see the siding just not laying correctly on the gable end of this home. Same issue here, very expensive home and poor installation.